friends. Now in previous video we have seen the app bar and the title of app bar. We also little bit look at the body text. Now in this video we will use the styling of the text and how we can use the colors of the text and we will also use the weight and the font of the text. Now let's move ahead. We will start from here. I think the text should be in the center, so add the property center title true. Okay, now we will use the background color for the app bar. Use background color capital C colors dot you can use any color like red or anything you want to display here. Now let's run the app and see how it works. Flutter, run. Now you can see the output. The title is in the center and the background color is also in red. Now let's move toward the body section. In the body part we will use the style. We will use different type of style. Use style. We will use the text style here. Text style. Now add the text style values. We will use font size first. Font size okay. What will the font size? 20.20 and the next value will be the font weight. We can use font weight. Font weight automatically mention about, so we are getting the error. Now use the font weight. You can use italic, bold, or anything you want. Font weight we will use italic or bold. We can use bold. Now I run the command and see the changing. Now you can see the Flutter is now in the form of bold. You can also change this text to center and add different type of colors as we have added in the app bar section. Now it's your exercise to change the color of this Flutter, and hope you will enjoy this lecture. We will meet in the next one. Thank you very much.